Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we are back with another OEB video, so let's get started. Today our topic is what is OEB in pharmaceutical industry. API have the potential to produce significant health impact on personnel, to reduce employee containment device or system, could be used as a strong component chemical strategy. Based on their potency, APIs can be categorized as a band. Based on their bands, APIs can be categorized as a OELs. For each toxicological endpoints, these qualitative, semi-quantitative and quantitative data. Accurate toxicity, erosion, eye erosion, skin sensitization. Germ cell reproducible toxicity. Every Thursday we will post our OEB videos. If you are interested in our content, please subscribe our channel, like on our video, comment. Thanks for watching.